Are you tired of spending hours wrestling with complex video editing software, only to end up frustrated and barely satisfied with the results? You're not alone. Many content creators, just like you, are struggling to produce high-quality videos that captivate audiences, all while juggling their busy schedules. But what if I told you there's a solution that empowers you to create amazing videos effortlessly? Introducing Submagic. This powerful video editing software allows you to transform your raw footage into stunning, engaging videos in just minutes. With Submagic, you don't need any technical skills or prior experience. Just upload your clips and let the magic happen. Imagine posting consistently, impressing your audience, and saving your hard-earned money by eliminating the need to hire expensive editors. Your content deserves to shine, and with Submagic, now it can, effortlessly. But here's the best part. Our Black Friday deals mean you can access all these incredible features at an unbeatable price. Black Friday offer on 28-29 November. 50% off. All annual plans for 48 hours only. Don't miss this opportunity to elevate your video game and finally create the content you've always dreamed of sharing. Join countless other creators who have transformed their video making experience with Submagic. Your audience is waiting. Take action now. Grab Submagic's Black Friday deal on 28-29 November. 50% OFF. All annual plans for 48 hours only. And start producing captivating videos today. Click the link below to get Submagic now and unlock 50% off